Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Belle's winter outfit and dress to impress. Okay guys, first of all, you can put on all these items. For the bangs, you're going to color it with the dark brown color, and for the heels, you can color it pink, and then you can put on this top and make it pink. This pink color, this is for the color code, and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, and I'm going to put on this skirt, and then we're going to make it pink, the same pink I have applied before. Okay, and then you're going to make the second selection pink, okay, but different pink, and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and for the skirt, you're going to make it glitter, and then apply the same pink color. Okay, and pink color. Okay, the next one, we're going to put on this dress, but choose the sleeves only. And then for the color, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, and the second selection, make it this color. Okay, the lighter pink. And then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Then I'm going to go to this area and put on this item, and then I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the VIP room. We need cape from here, but if you don't have VIP, you can skip this item because I think it's still beautiful even though without the cape. And then you're going to color it the same. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.